coronavirus, an unprecedented event.
Yesterday, Ohio had its first death from the coronavirus. We hear about a new death. That is someone who was loved, someone who lived their life, someone who wanted to live longer.
If there was any worry about whether or not it was going to come, we now have 4 IDs.
All of those deadlines I may not have mentioned will be moved back from the primary date.
We're moving tax day from April 15th to July 15th.
We will get through this. The sun will shine again.
WCPO 9 News at 6 starts right now.
This is WCPO 9 News.
Good evening, everyone. I'm Tanya O'Rourke. The coronavirus takes its toll on the entire country. Tonight, Ohio reports its first death from COVID-19. The man who lost his life to the pandemic was Mark Wagoner Sr. He's a prominent attorney from Lucas County. Governor DeWine says he knew Wagoner personally. And now the Miami County Health Department says 11 nursing home residents have tested positive for coronavirus. And there are more tests pending at Kester Pavilion in Troy. WCPO 9 News reporter Courtney Francisco is joining us live. Courtney, the governor took steps today to try to protect the older adults in our community.
That's right, Tanya. The governor signed an executive order requiring adults, senior centers, and facilities that provide older adult daycare to close by the end of business Monday. 169 people have now tested positive for the virus in Ohio, the health department says. 39 are in the hospital. The youngest patient is 1, the oldest is 91. The average age of those infected is 49. The governor stressed the importance of people staying home this weekend, staggering shifts at work. He says he is prepared to close down any business ignoring his mandates.
The sanctity of life, the protection of life, is the most important obligation that I have. But the bad behavior, the reckless behavior must stop.
If you rely on a senior center or a daycare service, the governor says those businesses can still offer transportation and food, but they shouldn't group clients together. Earlier this week, the governor thought about closing child care centers, but he made no mention of that in his update today. Reporting live in Mount Adams, Courtney Francisco, WCPO 9 News.